immunity, either it protects you or it kills you. With so many recoveries and the latest research also happening that we have a baseline immune system to tackle this new virus. We have a baseline immunity, and that's why almost 65% people have recovered and recovering more. Our immunity is there. A lot of people say, no, we don't have immunity. It's there. The baseline immunity is there. Otherwise, people wouldn't have recovered. What does immunity do? Immunity is a defense system of a body. It's an army inside a body which fights the enemy, the outside enemy. And everybody is saying, let the vaccine come, let the vaccine come. What happens with the vaccine? The vaccine is not going to fight the virus. Your immunity will fight the virus. The vaccine is not going to fight the virus. The vaccine will assist and help your immunity system to fight the virus. So even if you have the vaccine, your immunity system, your self-defense system has to be at a peak level. So focus on your immunity. Work on your immunity. There are basic steps you can take to increase your immunity or keep it apart. You've seen so many people who you keep talking, hey, he doesn't even fall sick. Why? Because he's living a holistic life. Immunity doesn't increase only by exercise only. You need to have a holistic approach towards your life. Immunity also gets affected, aging, your prevalent diseases, bad nutritional habits, sedentary lifestyle. But you can increase your immunity and keep it at a peak level. So there are 7 tips which I always give to live a holistic life, which will help you to keep your immunity at a peak level. First thing, keep your stress down. Sit in silence. Maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whenever you have time, sit in silence. Keep your stress level down. 2, go out in nature, take sunlight. 3, eat small, 2 meals preferably. 4, have an active life. Exercise, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. 5, make sure that you do conscious breathing. And most important thing is, focus on fasting, at least once in 15 days. Let's focus on our immunity, because vaccine is far, far away from what is seen with the news. So how do we tackle this new situation which has come in front of us? By making ourselves stronger. And we have a baseline immunity. Let's make it more stronger. And if you can do that, no virus can defeat you. You're going to defeat it. Love you so much.